What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a filament review. We'll be checking out a Silk Magic in blue, purple, and yellow, an ultra smooth PLA filament that claims to deliver premium prints at a budget price. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out, and stick around because we have an awesome giveaway announcement happening in our Discord. First things first, let's talk about how the filament arrived. It came in a vacuum sealed bag with desiccant to keep it moisture free. It's always a good sign and something that's pretty standard when you order filament these days. We went ahead and loaded it up and we're going to try out some seriously cool prints with it. Real quick, we're going to watch this filament as it prints in a few time lapses. We have a Lotus Flower, Vase, a pyramid, and an articulating dragon. All of the links to these models are in the description. If you liked any of the 4 models we used today, go ahead and check them out at the link in the description. My favorite of the 4 is definitely this Flexi Dragon. The prints looked great during the time lapse, but the real test is when we take an up close look at them, so let's go ahead and do that now. I think these results speak for themselves. This definitely is a fun filament to print with, and you do get the cool tri-colored look. Alright, so let's break it down. Here's what I loved about the filament. Amazing layer adhesion, vibrant and consistent color, easy printing, and strong durable prints. Alright, let's talk about some of the cons. Really the only one that I found was that there is some stringing in the prints. That could be due to my retraction settings, but if you're going to print in super high detail, maybe this isn't the filament for you. It does have an awesome effect for things like the Vase or the flexible dragon, and it works pretty well. If you think you'd like to give this filament a try yourself, the link's in the video description. Using it really helps the channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. Pretty soon we're going to be giving away a Bamboo Lab P1s 3D printer. Join the Discord to find out how. Thanks for watching and happy printing.